Hello everyone, welcome to episode 2. So today we are going to create application. So go to app builder and then we have to click on create. And then you just have to give a suitable name for your application, like what kind of application. So I'm going to build here corporate employee management system. So and then just click to the create application and you can see your application has been created, and by default you can see the login page, home page. These are by default created by Oracle Apex. So now let me show you after running this page how it will look. So as you can see, it is successfully login and we have home page by default and nothing else. Now we have to create manually each page, like what are your requirements. So in this episode, you have seen how we have created our application. Now in another episode, we are going to create dashboard, charts, like how you can create it. So stay tuned, don't miss out any episode, and happy building. If you are watching this video for the first time, I will highly request you to go and watch episode first so that you can understand exactly what we are going to build. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any confusion, you can just comment down below and I will be sharing you all your queries.